thought I would do a video on picking some fucking locks. That is right, because it's been a minute since I've done a picking video. I got a spare bit of time now, and you know, I like to do stupid things, and I'm thinking, what could I actually do as a picking video today? So I got two vices here, and I thought I'm gonna try and pick two locks at the same fucking time. One on my left and one on my right, because you know, why the fuck not? Like, so I can move that out of the way. I'm gonna pick one lock. Well, I'm gonna try pick one lock left mounted or lever side, and another one right mounted or bolt side. That is right. Can we get these closer? Can we see these? Yeah, it should be alright. Now, fuck knows how long this is going to take. I'm going to be using the UK Lock Pickers pick set, because unlike the RB one, even though this is very similar to it, you only get one set of handles with the RB, so you're going to switch them from one to the other. But with the UK Lock Pickers one, you get a handle on both. So what I've got here is a left and a right handed wire, which is what we're going to need. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's see how we get on with this. Let's see how fucking long it's going to take. Right, can we see? Yes, we can. Right, here we go. Yeah, so I mean, you know, I do pick locks with my one hand quite often. But I never pick them with my left hand. Even though I'm left-handed, I always pick with my right hand. My left hand is just for tension, and so I've never actually picked a lock with my left hand. And the fact that this is bolt side, and I'm picking it one-handed, it's not an easy lock to pick. And the fact that this one here, it doesn't have a ridge across the top of the lever, so you can overset it really fucking easy, and you will need to be on and off with the tension, and because you're doing it with one hand, it makes it a very difficult lock to pick. So yeah, this one over here, not easy at all. Well, no lock is easy one-handed, but you know. Also this one, if you're in the UK today or over the weekend, it'll be hit with Storm Dennis. Don't know if you can hear it out there. I would open the door, but I'm a little busy right now. But yeah, lots of flooding where I am. Some rivers fucking bursting, coming up into the fields, and roads closed and all sorts of shit like that. I'll just focus on this one a minute, because I think that's close. Yeah. Fuck, I just dropped it. Yes, is that one? Right. I say I will take them apart if I can get them both picked. Yeah, boy. That is no fucking joke, let me tell you now. That is not easy to do. Let me just show you a bit quick the levers. So there's lever 1, 2, 3, 4, and lever 5. Spin this one around. And this one, lever 1, 2, 3, 4, and lever 5. So there you go. Lovely. Yeah, thought I would do that. Yeah, I enjoyed that. It was really good. But yeah, not easy to do. So again, you learn nothing from this video. It's just me dicking around. But yeah, there you go. All right, I'm out. I'll see you later. Bye.